Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny Godly here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you don't know who I am, I'm a makeup educator. I've been doing makeup videos here on YouTube since about 2008 or 9. Honey, I like to focus on dark skin over 30 and helping you magnify your beauty naturally. Today is a video that I have been wanting to redo for quite some time. You guys know that I have put out some of the first color correction videos here on YouTube. The very first, in fact. You can go ahead and look that up. But so here's the thing. I want to teach you guys a very simple color correction routine, and I want you guys to understand this so bad because I see so much craziness on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. The way people have got you guys color correcting absolutely positively cringeworthy. It really upsets me. Anybody who truly knows me knows that I'm passionate about makeup, about base, skincare, color correction, bronzer. Baby, let's just go ahead and get into this, honey. Let's go. Okay, so first off, this is my skin, right? Pretty decent. I don't have much to cover, but what I do have to cover can be covered easily with these steps. I'm starting out with primer. I use Prime and Poreless from Too Faced, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation. I have been loving these Fenty Eavesdrops. I will have a review link below. I wanna tell you guys that you need to blend your foundation. You need to blend your foundation. You need to blend your foundation the same way you blend moisturizer into your skin. You don't just really pat moisturizer, you rub it in a circular motion. So that's something that I really want to stress to you guys. And that's also why I think this technique will be helpful, because a lot of people like to do color corrector first and then they go in and they don't want to blend their foundation. Here's a prime example of this foundation covering some of the hyperpigmentation that I have. So I'm blending and I'm just going in and being very detailed with what I'm doing so I can get good results. Finesse, baby. Going in and doing what you're doing without it being abrasive. So after blending, which I do a lot of, you want to go in and you want to take another assessment of your skin. I usually like to see if there's anything else peeking through, anything else that I want to cover. I go in and I may do a little bit more foundation. Okay, so this helps so you don't have to apply a crap ton of color corrector or concealer. And this is going to give you a really nice seamless result. So now I'm going in with my center color. This is the color that is more similar to the center of my face, to the center of my chest, to the center of the inside of my arm. Okay, you're not going to jump to your highlighting color from your base color, center face color, then your highlighter. In between those steps is generally when I do my color correction. And now I'm going in with color corrector, and you'll notice that I'm using a peach tone. Your color corrector does not have to be this super dark or super bright orange, especially once you've let your foundation and your center color do the work. I feel like color corrector goes in and takes care of the residual darkness. There's something strange to me about color correcting first and then applying foundation. Foundation is called foundation for a reason, just like primer is called primer for a reason. Primer, foundation, color correction. Now, I talked about this on Instagram, and I told you guys that it can successfully be done both ways, but I definitely feel as though this way is a little bit better for beginners. So now I'm going in with my highlight tone after I've gone in and color corrected. I am applying my concealer, my highlighting concealer, with a gem blender. And now I'm going back in the hollows of my face again. And this again is to trick light and to build your face structure. Highlighting concealer and concealer period is not really used to correct tone. If you need a shortened version of this video, definitely go ahead and check out my video over on Instagram. I think it'll be really, really helpful for those of you who have a hard time with color correction. We're further going in and we're blending. I don't want you guys to ever get lazy when it comes to blending. You will get such a better result if you really truly blend and use finesse. So now I'm going in with a tiny bit of powder, and I am setting and reverse highlighting my contour. Honestly, this wasn't really the point of the video. I just really, really wanted to show you guys a simple color correction routine. So now I'm going in, I'm contouring, and you know I'm contouring because I'm using a tiny brush. But I am also gonna bronze, and I'm gonna go in with a bigger brush to bronze. But this right now is just really helping to carve out my face. It's helping to bring dimension back to my face. It's helping to bring contours back to my face. The shape, the depth, you want to make sure you bring it back. This is another reason why I don't really use a deeper foundation. A lot of times people will look at my foundation and think, oh, well, you know, it may be a little bright or maybe it could be darker. Yeah, it could be, but then it's also going to oxidize. And then I'm also going in with powder. I don't like a heavy, muddy, saturated looking face. I like my face light. I like my face clean, crisp, airy, and easygoing. Beautiful, full coverage. A lot of you guys always say, oh, this is so natural. This is a beat, baby. It's just properly done. Another thing I'll say is, so I took the bronzer. That bronzer is the same color I'm going to use on my nose contour. It's the same color I'm going to use in my eye contour. I feel like using consistent colors throughout your face is going to keep you from looking like a puzzle with a million different colors, different highlights, different contours, different bronzers. You know, being consistent and using continuity is going to make your skin look amazing. And as you'll see, I'm taking my contour and I'm bringing it up to my brow bone, and then I'm softly blending it out. I didn't go in with a cream because my nose is a very small area. The powder is going to oxidize, and I don't want a muddy looking nose contour. I see it all the time. So if you are the type of person that likes to go in with cream and powder, consider using one or the other. So now I'm going in and I'm carving out my crease, and I'm using that very same bronzer. That bronzer is from the Prime Beauty. It's Chocolate Liddy. And I'm placing it in my crease, and then I'm blending it upward. This is going to not only define my crease, but really bring attention to my eye area. Very, very simple, very sultry eye makeup. And then I'm going in with a smaller brush with a darker color and really defining that outer V. This is really, really going to sculpt my eye, bring attention to my eyes, not attention to the makeup, attention to my eyes. So I'm going in with that same bronzer color and I'm smoking out my bottom lash line. This is going to fully frame my eye. Me personally, I don't like to just do the top of my eye and leave the bottom of my eye naked. I like some type of blend out, some type of liner. So I'm going in right now with a L'Oreal Infallible black eyeliner, and I really, really have gotten back into the habit of rimming my eyes, both the top and the bottom. I have very small eyes. This makes for a very sultry, smoky, very sexy, easygoing look. And it looks like I just spent so much time on my eye makeup, and I really didn't. Now I'm going in with Ocean Energy highlighter, giving myself a cute little highlight, honey. I'm going in with some eyelashes from 11 Lashes. And I'm now going in with that same center color I'm using on my brow bone. I'm also going to use a little bit of Ocean Energy in my tear duct area. This highlight, baby, you need it. It's from Baptiste Beauty, jazzybaptiste.com, code PRIDE20. I'll have all the information in the bottom bar. Maybe you need this highlighter for real. So I'm softly going in and blending the transfer color into my highlight so everything looks seamless. And as you can see, Ocean Energy, honey, in my inner tear duct. This is a very simple, this is a foolproof, this is an everyday beautiful look. So now I'm going in with lip liner number 3. That's from gemblender.com, and I'm lining my lips, making everything contoured, everything pop, and just very subtle and sexy. This is definitely a beautiful everyday look. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to bring this to you guys. I really, really wanted to show you guys this technique because I think it's gonna be so helpful for those of you out there who have issues with color correction. Let me know if this helped you. Let me know if you have any other issues. I would love to address it in a future video. As always, guys, I want to thank you so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch, and hopefully you'll do the same. Also, I did the voiceover live for this video, but my sound, it was terrible. So there that is, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.